45 medals, including 2 gold and 2 silver medals at the university level and 41 medals at the program level. I'm also pleased to inform you that Sushant University degrees are now available on DigiLocker, which is considered at par with the original documents as per the IT Act of the Government of India. The 8th convocation degrees, that is your degrees, would be also available on DigiLocker within the next 2 months. It's my pleasure and privilege to welcome you all once again to the happy and momentous occasion of the 8th convocation of Sushant University. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. I now request the Honorable Chancellor to declare the convocation open.
I hereby declare the convocation open.
We now proceed to the annual report of the university to be read by the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Rakesh Ranjan, an esteemed academic leader and a graduate of BITS Pilani. He brings over 30 years of teaching and research expertise from both Indian and foreign universities. His distinguished career includes key administrative roles at prestigious institutions. Dr. Ranjan's intellectual prowess is evident through his research-oriented approach, reflected in the authorship of several books in his core and allied areas, and has guided 18 PhD candidates. With a remarkable 184 research papers, published 9 textbooks, and contribution to international conference as advisory committee member, Dr. Ranjan has played pivotal role as a committee member for prestigious international conferences and journals. He has demonstrated his commitment to the global academic community. Dr. Ranjan's legacy includes the successful completion of numerous sponsored projects, further strengthening his impact on academics. May I now request Honorable Vice Chancellor to present the annual report of the university.
Good afternoon. Honorable Chancellor, Sushant University, Sri Jaisankar Misra ji, trustees and esteemed member of the governing body, Board of Management and Academic Council, all in absentia, guests, colleagues sitting on the dais, off the dais, students, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure and deem it as my proud privilege to welcome you all to the 8th convocation of Sushant University, Gurugram. At the very outset, on behalf of Chiranjeev Charitable Trust and Sushant University and my personal behalf, I extend a warm welcome to all proud recipients of PhD, medal and degree. I, Dr. Rakesh Ranjan, Vice Chancellor, present here with the annual report. I am thankful to the leadership team for their gracefulness to extend all help to develop this university as full-fledged, multidisciplinary center of excellence in higher education. You all being alumni now, an integral stakeholder after taking over this university by the new management, visible changes are seen on the ground. I am proud to say that in 2 years, total student strength surged from 2,100 to nearly 3,000. It gives me immense pleasure to inform the August gathering that during the last 12 years of its existence, the university has witnessed exceptional growth and expansion along with quality of education. I would like to take this opportunity to acquaint our distinguished guests here and invitees with the activities and the achievement of this university. The legacy of Chiranjeev Charitable Trust, the sponsoring body of this university, in the realm of the higher education goes back to 1989, when the foundation of Sushant School of Art and Architecture was laid to fill the gap in Indian architectural education. The school was conceived with the objective of combining traditional Indian aesthetics and mode of urban planning and the needs of modern cityscape. Susant University was established in 2012 thereafter under the Haryana Private University Act for the promotion of education in the field of law, technology, management, planning, architecture, and design, humanities and social sciences, and the further application of contemporary knowledge through research, consultancy, and dissemination of integrated curricula that is relevant with the needs and demands of industry, community, society in all its manifestations. From the modest beginning, from few departments, today the university has in its fold 7 different schools which are contemporary and applied in nature. The university today offers undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral program in all 7 schools. As you know, that the university has a spacious campus in the heart of the downtown Gurugram, which accommodates some of the finely designed building to serve diverse need of various disciplines. With over 180 plus faculty members engaged in teaching, promotion of research, consultancy, outreach program, etc., the university has established the state-of-art infrastructure required for academic, sports, and extracurricular activities. The university has a history of long-standing academic relationship with eminent personality from the various field, wherein global expert in their field deliver lecture for the academic benefit of our student. You are well aware that the university invites serving ambassador to the campus under its prestigious platform series, wherein every month serving ambassador come and interact with the fellow students. To facilitate the students in their endeavor of higher learning, the university has enabled students with various scholarship and fee concession, credit-based continuous evaluation, fieldwork balanced with studio and lab work, compulsory modules for soft skill and languages, and a strong collaboration with the university abroad. Intellectual fraternity at the university exhibits excellence in teaching and learning, research, which is evident from the publication research paper at national and international level. Several patents are to the credit of university published or granted to our faculty. A number of seminars, workshop, discussion, and extension lectures were organized by different schools during the current session. Online courses have been slowly inducted in our pedagogy to keep pace with the changing scenario. Many of our students have brought pride to the university by joining at eminent position in defense, civil services, private sector, as well as the government sector. Formal integration of alumni, though, is long pending, but it is our priority. Soon you will have events that follows in our annual calendar. You may now visit sports facility in the campus, which is much improved. Tennis, badminton, football, box cricket, etc. are being supervised by ex-Ranji player. You'll be happy to note that through the campus sports facility, Sports Startup has bagged funding in the recent SARC Session 3 contest. You shall be further happy to note that university has organized Freshers Party, Diwali Mela, annual sports carnival, and famous singer Jassi Gill was invited to perform only few days back. Jassi Gill performance was greatly appreciated by our students. Co-curricular and extracurricular activities are integral phenomena. Kindly note that in the year 2023, when you were a student of this prestigious university, King had performed in your campus, and I'm sure memory is still be there within you. Now, allow me to present Susant University rating, ranking, and recognition related to School of Design, Vettel School of Tourism and Business, along with School of Health Sciences. School of Design. BDES and MDES students work on the project with Naujyoti India Foundation on rainwater harvesting, and the project has been awarded as Best NGO by UNESCO. Ria Soni, one of our students, has published a book titled The Brighter Side. Vettel has been ranked #1 globally by prestigious QS World Ranking. Vettel students have won accolade, appreciation, and recognition on many national and international hospitality chains for their exemplary performance during their industry exposure across the globe. They manage customer relationship management, marketing, and operation for some big F&B chains during the prestigious AHAR event on the biggest annual event in the food and beverage industry so far. In health sciences, Rupal Pandey and Richa Dwivedi published a research paper titled Ikigai and Psychological Capital. Ansika Grover and Sana Ahmed from the Department of Psychology was awarded third prize in the National Conference on Innovation and Startup in Pharmaceutical Sector. Tanisha Gupta has been awarded first runner-up in the poster presentation and two published a review article titled A Comprehensive Study on Interaction Between Protein Molecule and Their Importance in Drug Industry. Kanika Bhardwaj published a book chapter named An Introduction to ECG, Heartbeats in a Graph. Kanika Bhardwaj further published a research paper named A Comparison of Extracellular Type of Cardioplegia, Modified del Nido, and an intercellular type of cardioplegia in pediatric patients. Akshita Iyer, CVT student, published a book chapter. Pratima Dev, again a CVT student, has published another book chapter. Simran Kaur, BMRT, published a research paper. Vikas stood second in one of the sports competitions. Seema Bharti has also got second position in one of the competitions and published a paper in Scopus Journal. Coming back to the foreign collaboration, I'm very happy to share with you that we cherish a long partnership with prestigious foreign university, and in this sequence, we had collaborated with King Mongkut University of Technology, Thonburi, Thailand, Arizona State University, USA, University of Northern Iowa, US, IDP International Education, AECC Study Abroad, UAS International, United International University, Dhaka, Domus Academy, Milan, Vettel Development, France, and the list goes on. There are certain other initiatives which I would like to highlight. In the field of research, publication, and consultancy, I'm happy to share with you that last year, 17 books were published by our faculty, 12 patents were either granted or published, 42 chapters in the book and proceeding were published by our faculty, and over 100 journals were published by the faculty in reputed journal. Preparation of NAC accreditation process is about to complete, and we are going to file our application in this year, April only. And I'm sure by the end of this year, your alma mater will be NAC accredited. Due to the limitation of time, it is not possible to recount all the details of our initiative and achievement in the areas of development, research, conferences, cultural activities, sports, etc. I have our share of trials and tribulation, but with the commendable cooperation from the members of the teaching fraternity, students and employees of this university, as well as the parents, I'm sure we will be able to move significant headway in our efforts to make it Center of Excellence in Higher Education. At the last, I congratulate all the successful students and wish them all the great success in their future endeavor. I once again welcome all our guests for sparing their precious time and gracing this occasion of 8th convocation of Susant University along with our student and teaching fraternity. All the best and good luck to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. May I now request the Registrar Sushant University, Dr. Sanjeev Sharma, to please introduce our Honorable Chancellor.
A very good afternoon to all of you. It's a matter of great pride and honor for me to introduce our worthy Chancellor, sir, who is a live example of inspiration, humanity, and success. a meritorious high school topper from UP Board who later acquired B in civil engineering from IIT Roorkee and later became an IS officer. Shri Jaishankar Mishra ji has served in various significant positions extending over 4 decades in government of Uttar Pradesh and government of India. He has been collector and district magistrate in 4 most important districts of the state, including Meerut and Lucknow. He has also served in distinguished capacity as secretary and principal secretary in many important departments, including Home, Urban Department, Housing and Urban Planning, and other prestigious departments of Government of UP and Government of India. Shri Mishra holds an excellent record and accomplishment of innovative thinking, bold initiative, and delivery of outcome. Noteworthy are his contribution in urban planning, urban development, and housing at apex level, in agriculture, fisheries, small-scale industries, as well as Ministry of SME, MSME, Government of India as the Chief Executive Officer and Commissioner Khadi and Village Industry Commission, KVIC. For his contribution, the Government of India and Government of UP has acknowledged him with the award, and various awards were conferred to him like State Award for Outstanding Performance, Public Service Excellence Award by prestigious All India Management Association for organizing Mahakumbh in 2001 with flawless precision and characteristic elan. He was also honored with Agricultural Leadership Award 2011 by a committee chaired by Professor M.S. Swaminathan for creating 16 lakh employment opportunities in micro sectors in the country. His passion for poetry and literature keep his writing vibrant and intellectual stimulating. For his rich contribution in the field of art and literature, he has also been felicitated and awarded with Awadh Samman Award, Jaishankar Prasad Award by Uttar Pradesh Sahitya Sansthan Lucknow, Government of Uttar Pradesh, and many more. An erudite scholar with profound knowledge and in-depth understanding of Indian literature and tradition, he has authored more than 1.5 dozen acclaimed books, including 8 poetry and 7 in Hindi and 1 in English, published by the most prestigious publishers of the country. Few of his most referred books include A Quest for Dream Cities, a book on life skill, Happiness is a Choice, Choose to be Happy, Mahakumbh, The Greatest Show on Earth, Anand Hi Anand, The Art of Life, Timeless Wisdom from Gita, and many more. Very recently, he has made another contribution for the society in the form of a book, Art of Joyful Living. This collection of experience transformed into words is an excellent message of the ways to live happy life in this extremely stressed environment. Ladies and gentlemen, I am glad to share that he has also contributed to the poetry world with his Hindi poems such as Ye Dhoop Chhaav, Ye Akarshan, and his 5 music albums based on Hindi poems have been released by Times Music and sung by the renowned singers of the India, including Asha Bhosle, Hari Haran, Alka Yagnik, and Ustad Rashid Khan. Honorable Chancellor, sir, is truly a person of multifaceted personality and is not only inspire us but exhibit true concern about the health, happiness, and success. Sir, we are indeed fortunate to have you here and stalwarts like you to guide us, motivate us, and bless us on this most important day of Sushant University. May I request you all to give a big round of applause and welcome sir for his word of vision and blessings.
Good afternoon to all of you. Professor Rakesh Ranjan, Vice Chancellor, Dr. Sanjeev Sharma, Pro Vice Chancellor, Shri Anil Yadavji, Controller of Examinations, all distinguished faculty members, and dear students. It's really a matter of pride and great pleasure to me to stand here as your Chancellor and join you all on this one of the most important days of your life, the occasion of 8th convocation of Sushant University. I wish to congratulate you all for the degree and awards which we are going to confer upon you. Dear friends, you will be the torch bearers of new India, a great India, a developed India. It's really very fascinating time, very interesting period when you are entering the life and career in this country. A lot of distance has been traveled during our generation, and many of the people who are sitting on the dais or even in the front chairs. That country started, from such a vulnerable situation, and in every field we have traveled a lot. Now you have the great opportunity to make really the country a great, developed, and improve everybody's lot, whatever is small world or sphere of influence you are working in, you are operating in, you are existing in. Even today, if you might have seen the papers, that the GDP growth, the economic growth in this financial year for last 3 quarters has been 8.4%. It's the highest in the world at the moment, and the sky is the limit for you. Even I'll say that sky even is not the limit. But the challenge is, to enhance the quality of life of everybody in the country, the quality of health, the quality of education, the quality of opportunity, the quality of environment, everything, and contribute its might to the betterment of the world. You will make what the country shall become, ladies and gentlemen. I remember great American poet R.W. Emerson said about the role of a citizen, an ordinary citizen. Many of us consider ourselves to be the ordinary citizen. But even a small act of yours does affect the whole ecosystem. Gita says, Nevikram nashasti pratvayo no vidyate salpam appasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. Even, and that is what the theory of relativity also says, even the small act which you perform, it does affect the universe, it does affect the society, it does affect the nation. R.W. Emerson says at this point when you are going to enter your careers, I take this opportunity to reach you. He says not gold, but only people can make a people great and strong, a nation great and strong. Those who for truth, what type of people? Those who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. Brave people who work while others sleep, who dare while others fly. They build a nation's pillars deep and lift it to the sky. My wish, my prayer, my desire, my message to you shall be to contribute your best, to contribute the maximum to the build-up of the country. And your own welfare and your own elevation, your own image shall take care of itself. This day you are here, as you all know and we also know, as a result of your own dreams and dreams of your parents and guardians. I congratulate them also. The degree is not being conferred upon you simply for being in this campus, but as you know, nobody knows better than you. We have all passed through that stage, that it has been earned by you after working very hard and going beyond your comfort zones for so many years. But mind you, the struggle has to go on, the efforts have to go on. It has got to be upgraded in coming days. Now, you are going to enter a new phase of life and career. In this phase, how you work and conduct yourself will determine your success. I am now emphasizing here conduct and behavior only because we have seen in life that equally educated so many people have different tracks in life, different flights in life because of aspects of conduct and behavior. John Ruskin has said, education does not mean teaching people what they do not know. It means teaching them to behave as they do not behave. Our own scriptures speak, Vidya dadati vinayam vinayat yati patratam patratva dhanam apnoti dhanah dharma tato sukham. The knowledge gives humility, it should give humility. Humility leads to eligibility, and eligibility is followed by wealth, success, and happiness. My parting message to you shall be nice and kind to the people in true light of the education, and spread joy and happiness wherever you happen to be. It's said that spread fragrance wherever you stand. Ladies and gentlemen, life shall be full of challenges, success and failures, ups and downs. I remember two lines which says that अब हवाएं खुद करेंगी, अब हवाएं खुद करेंगी रोशनी का फैसला, जिस दिए में जान होगी वो दिया रह जाएगा. Friends, your parents, your guardians, your families have given you roots. And we in this institution and other institutions which have gone through, they have tried to give and strengthen your wings. Now it's the open sky. Go and fly to the destinations you choose to be. Our best wishes, our prayers, our blessings to you. As a chancellor of this distinguished university, with an experience about 50 years, I can say that whatever the difficulties come your way, with the right attitude, with determination, with hard work, the integrity of hard work, what is known as hard work, believe in itself, believe in yourself, and believe the forces, the divine forces that come to your rescue when you attempt something big. You shall succeed, and you shall make your name and fame, make your parents proud, and make us proud as well. I remember a line of Dinkar, life is, full of challenges, as I told you earlier. यह अरण्य झुरमुट जो काटे अपनी राह बना ले, क्रीत दास या नहीं किसी का जो चाहे अपना ले, जीवन उनका नहीं युधिष्ठिर जो उससे डरते हैं, यह उनका जो चरण रोप निर्भय होकर लाते हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all good luck, great times, a highly successful career, and a beautiful life, a meaningful life, and really a great life. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for such encouraging and inspiring words of wisdom. Thank you, sir. Sushant University recognizes the excellent academic performance of its students, which comes in the form of gold and silver medals awarded to them. I invite Professor Anil Yadav, Controller of Examination and Director Academic Affairs, to present the medals and certificates to the distinguished achievers. I invite Honorable Chancellor and Honorable Vice Chancellor to step forward to present these awards.
In the 8th convocation, we would be presenting 45 medals, including 2 gold and 2 silver medals at the university level, and 41 medals at the program level. Today, specifically, we would be awarding program-wise 10 gold and 6 silver medals. Honorable Chancellor, I now present those meritorious students to you who have been adjudged for the award of gold and silver medals and certificates for the overall academic excellence in their respective programs. Master of Design, the gold goes to Sakshi Agrawal. Master of Design, the silver medal goes to Shruti Dangwal in absentia. Master of Science, Cardiovascular Technology, the gold goes to Caripot Highland Joseph. Master of Science, Medical Radiology and Imaging Technology, the gold goes to Nikhat Parveen. Bachelor of Design, the gold goes to Soumya Kalhan. Bachelor of Design, the silver medal goes to Sadhvi Kumar. Bachelor of Hotel Management, the gold goes to Anil Regmi in absentia. The silver medal goes to Yash Agrawal. Bachelor of Pharmacy, the gold goes to Anshika Sharma in absentia. The silver medal goes to Ranjan Singh Dangi. Bachelor of Science, Cardiovascular Technology, the gold medal goes to Lalit Yadav. Lalit Yadav is also the overall university undergrad topper. BSc Cardiovascular Technology, the silver medal goes to Parushi Singh Kanwar. Again, incidentally, Parushi Singh Kanwar is overall university silver medalist at the undergraduate level. Bachelor of Science, Medical Lab Technology, the gold goes to Kartik Rana. Bachelor of Science, Medical Radiology and Imaging Technology, the gold goes to Nishant. Bachelor of Science in Psychology, the gold medal goes to Samia Marwaha.
Congratulations.
And last but not the least, Bachelor of Science, Psychology, the silver medal goes to Sirat Zehra Zaidi.
Thank you. That completes the award of medals and certificates for the meritorious students. I now request Dr. Kaushal Preet Kaur, Associate Dean, School of Design, to present the graduates of undergraduate and postgraduate programs. I request Honorable Chancellor and Honorable Vice Chancellor to present the degrees.
Honorable Chancellor, I now present to you the students of Masters of Design and Bachelors of Design who have qualified to receive the degree. I request that they may please be awarded the degree. To start with, Masters of Design, Interior Design, it's Anamika. Anandi Malhotra. Anandita Banerjee. Shavi Madan. Mitakshi Kataria. Nitya Priya Dambla. Tanvika Saini. Masters of Design User Experience, Sakshi Agrawal. Bachelors of Design Interior Architecture, Harsha Kalra. Jay Sharma. Keshvi Arora. Kunal Goel. Lakshita Nair, Mansi Gupta, Mudit Arora, Pankaj Batra, Riddhi Agrawal, Samriddhi, Vanshika Mittal, Bachelors of Design, Interior Design, Anjali Malhotra, Anshika Agrawal, Bhavya Ori, Hriday Taneja, Komal Batra, Purnima Tanwar, Pragya Dalmia, Pranjal Chabra, Sana Chopra, Samriddhi Duggal, Soumya Kalhan, Stuti Satija, Tushar Goyal, Vasvi Bansal, Bachelors of Design, Product Design, Meet Aluwalia, Bachelors of Design, Visual Communication, Nandini Sareen, Sadhvi Kumar, Shreya Yadav, Shubham,
Thank you very much. Thank you, Honorable Chancellor. Thank you, Honorable Vice Chancellor. Thank you very much. I now request Dr. Jyoti Sinha, Associate Dean, School of Health Sciences, to present the graduates of the postgraduate and undergraduate programs. I request Registrar Dr. Sanjeev Sharma and Controller of Examination and Director Academic Affairs to please come up.
Honorable Chancellor, I now present to you the students of the Master of Optometry, Master of Public Health, Master of Science, Bachelor of Optometry, Bachelor of Pharmacy and Bachelor of Science who have qualified to receive the degree. I request that they may please be awarded the degree. Master of Optometry, Pragya Yadav, Master of Science, Cardiovascular Technology, Keripod Highland Joseph, Master of Science, Medical Radiology and Imaging Technology, Deepthi, Nikhat Parveen, Pratyush Raj Pandey, Bachelor of Optometry, Abhishek Kumar Pandey, Akash Kumar Verma, Bindya Bania, Devinder Kumar Ahuja, Krishna Yadav, Manish Kumar Tripathi, Mayank Gupta, Mushahid, Neha Singh, Palak, Paridhi Parashar, Piyush Kumar Yadav, Rishi Raj, Saksham Gera, Sarthak Gupta, Satvik Bhushan, Satakshi, Shivam Pandey, Shivani Mishra, Yashika Trivedi, Lakshya Jasrotia, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Lakshmi Gupta. Laima Pokpam Pushpa Devi. Lubhavna. Mukesh Bhardwaj. Ranjan Singh Dangi. Ravi Sherwal. Sagolshem Sunita Devi. Sahil. Saugat Rijal. Saurav Kumar Singh. Seban Ansari. Sunil Kafle. Vijay. Bachelor of Science, Cardiovascular Technology, Asmita. Dipali. Hiba Naqvi. Ishika Tyagi. Raghavendra, Vanshika Solanki, Bachelor of Science, Psychology, Akash Kumar, Aditi Rana, Aditi Singh, Ishita Mehrotra, Naveen Sai Krishna Nimaraju,
नीचे जाएंगे सेट कर लीजिए पीछे पिन लगाया मैंने सेट कर लीजिए आराम से कर लीजिए से नवीन
Rupal Pandey, Samya Marwaha, Seerat Zehra Zaidi, Siddharth Srivastav, Bachelor of Science, Medical Lab Technology, HSAM, Kartik Rana, Neetu Karamcharia, Bachelor of Science, Medical Radiology and Imaging Technology, Khushi Shukla, Nishant, Pawan, Rudrika Haldar, Sachin Yadav, Tanu Rana,
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you so much. I now request Dr. Saurav Chhabra, Associate Dean, Vatel Hotel and Tourism Business School, to present the graduates of the undergraduate programs. And I request the Registrar and Controller of Examinations, sir, to please present the degrees.
Honorable Chancellor, I now present to you the students of Master of Business Administration and Bachelor of Hotel Management who have qualified to receive their degree. I request that they may please be awarded the degree. To start with, Master of Business Administration, Charu Jadon. Kunal Madan. Sajal Bhatt. Bachelor of Hotel Management, Akash. Ananya Vashisht. Chelsea Khantwal. Deepak Yadav. Devang Sharma. Frank Felix. Kirti Singh. Rakshit Yadav. Sachi Arora. Shaurya Dhan. Sumit Dubey. Vishnu Mahindru. And Yash Agarwal. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. And with this, we complete the distribution of postgraduate and undergraduate degrees. We will now have the conferment of the degrees. I request the recipients of the postgraduate and undergraduate degrees to kindly rise for the investiture. Kindly rise for the investiture, the postgraduate and the undergraduate degree students. Please keep your right hand on your chest like this. May I now request Honorable Vice Chancellor to perform the investiture and confer the degrees. Please keep your right hand on your chest like this.
By virtue of authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor of Susant University, I hereby confer upon you the degree for which you have individually qualified and received today, physically and in absentia, and charge you that in your life, by thought, words, deed, and conversation, you prove yourself worthy of it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. I request you to please keep standing. I would now request Registrar Dr. Sanjeev Sharma to administer the pledge.
Students, once I'll say I, after that you have to take your name. I do hereby solemnly pledge that I shall by thought, word, deed and conversation endeavor to be worthy of the degree that has been conferred on me. I shall be a law-abiding citizen and shall strive to live up to the standard of excellence and bring laurels to my alma mater, my family, and my country. Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you very much. I now request Honorable Chancellor to declare the convocation closed.
I hereby declare the convocation closed.
I now request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem. As the academic procession leaves now, I request everybody to please keep standing.
Thank you. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
Well done.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations to all the degree recipients. And we'll see you in the canteen for high tea. And also, there's a professional photographer. You may collect your photo from the professional photographer. Congratulations, a bright future ahead for you. Thank you. Thank you. Done. Done. Done, might. जैसे कहते हैं. नहीं, अब तो बाहर 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 ये किया.
Sachi Arora. Shaurya Dhan. Sumit Dubey. Vishnu Mahindru. And Yash Agarwal. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sirs. And with this, we complete the distribution of postgraduate and undergraduate degrees. We will now have the conferment of the degrees. I request the recipients of the postgraduate and undergraduate degrees to kindly rise for the investiture. Kindly rise for the investiture, the postgraduate and the undergraduate degree students. Please keep your right hand on your chest like this. May I now request Honorable Vice Chancellor to perform the investiture and confer the degrees. Please keep your right hand on your chest like this.
By virtue of authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor of Susant University, I hereby confer upon you the degree for which you have individually qualified and received today, physically and in absentia, and charge you that in your life, by thought, words, deed, and conversation, you prove yourself worthy of it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. I request you to please keep standing. I would now request Registrar Dr. Sanjeev Sharma to administer the pledge.
Students, once I'll say I, after that you have to take your name. I do hereby solemnly pledge that I shall by thought, word, deed and conversation endeavor to be worthy of the degree that has been conferred on me. I shall be a law-abiding citizen and shall strive to live up to the standard of excellence and bring laurels to my alma mater, my family, and my country. Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you very much. I now request Honorable Chancellor to declare the convocation closed.
I hereby declare the convocation closed.
I now request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
As the academic procession leaves now, I request everybody to please keep standing.
Sing officer.